What's up YouTube? Welcome to Hot Trades. My name is Blaze. So I've been getting a lot of questions from people that are new to trading or have been thinking about trading for a while. So this video is to hopefully help you guys figure out what your next step is or how to get started. So number one is education. A lot of people approach trading like it's gambling. Please don't gamble. And yes, hope is also considered gambling. Before you risk your hard-earned money, make sure you know something about stocks. That could be from reading books on trading and investing, from watching YouTube videos. There's a lot of educational stuff on YouTube. Pick a company you like and go through the investment section of their website. Just read through it. The idea is just to get used to doing research and being prepared. If you don't feel like finding all this information for yourself or reading books, then call your bank. When I started a few years ago, I got some really good educational information from TD. Stuff like what a stock is, what are shares, how to buy, simple but very important stuff. And my personal favorite advice for a beginner is to paper trade. So a paper trade is a simulated trade that allows you to practice buying and selling without risking real money. Again, call your bank. A lot of them offer paper trading practice accounts. The App Store also has a lot of good apps. I like the Think or Swim app. I don't remember how the saying goes, but it's something like you need to do something for 10,000 hours to become proficient at it. So practice, practice, practice. Number two is find your trading style. What I mean by that is finding what strategies work for you. Is buying low and selling high your style? Or buying high and selling even higher? Buying the dips, buying the breakouts? It might take some time to figure that out, but it's important to know who you are. Trading requires a lot of discipline, so knowing who you are will help you stay focused. How do you figure all this stuff out? By keeping track of your trades when you paper trade. I bought here and sold there, and this was the outcome. When I buy here and sell there, it works. When I do this, it doesn't work. So write stuff down. And lastly is opening up a brokerage account. This is most likely the easiest step of the three. Call your bank and find out what they offer for trading and investing. Compare their fees and features to other brokerages. I like trading with my bank because it's convenient and I have all my banking needs in one place. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.